we doing today?
Buying that mower finally.
And just hanging it down.
And we're gonna get WD-40 for this door.
It's bad. So bad. Really? Asher? Hey Asher, how old are you now? Is he 12 weeks?
He's definitely over 12 weeks. He's probably like 14 weeks right now.
What? Ash, you're a big boy, but you're so small.
It's been 10 days since he's 3 months old, so.
He's about 3 months. We'll just go with that. Alright, guys, let's go. Oh, it's really close. Do you want a fidget spinner? That's cute.
Hey Ray, bye Ray. Let's go outside. Go.
Thank you. Alright, we'll be back. Look how sad he looks. Oh, poor baby. Poor baby. Can't forget the keys. Ugh. Was that fun, you guys? It's probably so windy.
This is what this is for.
True, that's true. Good old Nebraska here. Alright, so we just got the mower, and it was not the one we looked at the other day.
It's better than the one we looked at the other
Yep,
day.
it's better. A little more expensive, but it'll be better. There's the bag over there. And now we're going to get some taco truck food.
The best taco truck in town out of the two that we have.
Out of the two that we know of anyways.
Well, it's my favorite.
Yeah.
You
Mine too.
tolerate it. Okay.
No, it's really good. I love it. Anyways, check out what I have to go through. Let's hope I don't drop the camera, because you know it's waterproof. It'll be nasty. And over. Okay. So here's the taco truck.
Well, hey.
Okay, we got him. We got the grub, and now we are headed back home to eat because I'm starving. This is our breakfast slash lunch. First meal of the day, basically, and it's 12 o'clock. Alright, check out these bad boys. Look how big they are. They actually haven't been this big in the past, but they're huge this time, so I'm definitely only going to be able to eat one. Let's take a look at your tacos. And then they're awesome. Alright, you wish you could have some, but you'd be farting all afternoon. No farting. Alright, here it is, just to show you guys. Unwrapped. I already took a bite. I could not resist. It was so good. And we got some Gatorade as well. And Ash is over there playing like a good boy. Ash! Ash, you're so sweet. Alright, so we have John put some work into the yard, and all the trash is out, which is awesome. And over here, there is the chairs and stuff, so that looks cute.